I know a baby bunny that's ready for Easter, and his name is Draven, and he's in an outfit that's way too big for him. I bought this bunny outfit off of Amazon. Here's the picture of how it's supposed to look. It says 0 to 6 months. On the tag, it actually says 12 to 18 months. So they put a 12 to 18 month bunny costume in a 0 to 6 month bag. So it does not fit this baby that is only 3 months old. So I'm pretty mad about that. I don't know if I'm going to just save it till next year or try to get my money back because they pulled a fast one on mommy. Yes, they did. But anyway, he looks pretty cute. We're not really doing anything this year because he's only 3 months old. He can't hunt for eggs, and he can't have any chocolate or anything, or Cadbury eggs or anything like that. So he's just joining in the festivities as best he can, and he doesn't seem to like wearing this because he keeps on itching his face. But he's going to wear it long enough for this video, at least. But this thing is huge. It's like for a 6-year-old, not a 6-month-old. It's very big. And it comes with a carrot rattle. Baby carrot rattle? Yes, carrot rattle. Ugh. Yeah, look, he keeps on wiping his face. I'm sure it's very, very fuzzy on the baby's face. Hello, say Happy Easter, family friends. Happy Easter, I love you. Yes, you're a sweet baby. He does look cute. You really can't deny that, even though he's swimming in this outfit. It still has the desired effect, and it's good for, you know, what we're doing, which isn't much. I was going to get him a little Easter basket, but I just bought him some new toys, and he has a lot of formula and diapers and everything, and there's not really much else a baby wants in life, so, you know, I kind of skipped the basket and really going all traditional presents and festivities for this year, because, you know, he's a small infant and he won't know what's going on. So this hat is too big. Look, I could probably wear this hat. Look at this hat. It's huge, huge hat. So, anywho, and these feet are too big. Look at these feet. Way too large. Crazy baby hair. Crazy baby hair. You want a passy or a bottle or something? I'm sure you're hungry. Want your carrot rattle? Hugging your rattle. Yuckies. See the baby's face. Baby's face. Baby's eye. Are you coughing or laughing? I can never tell. Oh, you're just uncomfortable as all get out in this. I know, I'm sorry. You look so cute and amazing, though. Here's your hand. Here's your hand. Let me see. Let me see. There's your hand. There's the baby's hand. Oh, yes. That's wonderful. Okay, this video is getting a little boring, but I just wanted to say Happy Easter to everyone. And Draven wanted to say Happy Easter, and he's very excited about his first Easter. And see you guys later. Bye-bye.